Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover the top Shazam charts around the world. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the Shazam charts section and tap on this icon. Now you are ready to discover the most Shazam tracks, even in your country, or you can select another country whether you are interested in any of these. You just simply click on it and then press the button Done. If you scroll down, you can see the most Shazammed charts right here, but you can also tap on Discovery when you can explore the artists and their trending tracks, and you can also select cities that you are interested in. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.